Pinagbili nila, saan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin sold amounting to 129 billion. At least sa Congress, kung may resolution, tapos i-bill that would correspond with it, there's an explanation of how the money is going to be spent. Pero ito, paano ito ngayon? Sila na nakaalam nito. Yung Maharlika, sila na nakaalam nito. Walang participation ang people dyan, pati ito. So, ganitong 25 tons. Alam ba ng military yan? Hindi sabihin,